Civic. I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Let me get my blade. So in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing the Skar RP-2000.1D. What's up, y'all? It's your boy LSRY254. You tuned in for another one. Today we unboxing the RP-2000.1D. It's been a minute since I've been in the car audio scene. You know, I'm real OG with it, man. Like Rockford Fosgate, Kicker, things of that nature. But what we have today is some of the new school, which is Skar audio. Now, I've heard a lot of good things about Skar. Haven't really heard anything bad about them. And it's at a budget option. So now that we are in the age where we're kind of just doing it for hobby, in order to sometimes max out your hobby capabilities, you can't always go to top notch, top of the moot type stuff. Not on everything. Not when you got 4 bills. So Skar Audio RP-2000.1D, 2000 watts RMS. Can you guess what speakers these are for? Alright, so we 2000 watts RMS. Let's go ahead and open up the box here. The seal on here says, do not mount amplifier to subwoofer enclosure. I thought that was a gimme from the old school, but maybe I guess you gotta remind these young whippersnappers. So inside of that box is another box. Got here, there. Okay, so it's not actually this long. It's a little bit shorter of the actual box, so it's not terribly. I know that people were saying that they were big, but I don't believe that this is any bigger than well, it's bigger than the Memphis 1000, but I don't think any other amp I have is this big. Got the amp itself still in the plastic. I'm not gonna pull it out just yet. I'm just, like I said, it's just an unboxing. You got your silicone gel in there, your speakers, ground power remote on this side, and then your input, gain, low pass filter, subsonic, and bass equalizer on this side. There is also a remote. Some people said it came with it, other people said it didn't. So looks like mine did. It did come with a bass knob here that we will go ahead and take out the plastic, and got min and turn it up to the max. So bass knob there, as you can see. Put that in the box. This bass knob is different. It connects with a 3mm. It pretty much connects with an aux cord, which is different. A lot of the Rockford Fosgate stuff connected with like a Cat 5 cable. but I guess maybe that was different as well. So, but base knob is included. Contains a little Allen wrench for you to be able to tighten down your, well, some of them. Looks like this will only fit the power and the ground. You're gonna have to have something smaller to get in there for your speakers and remote wire. Put that in the box. And then it also comes, oh no. It comes with the smaller one that you need already as well. So you got both Allen keys that you need, just in case you don't have Allen keys. And then it comes with the owner's manual. They're there. So I don't have any, like, I'm not gonna hook this up today or anything. Still need some components, but I did want to go ahead and do this unboxing for y'all so that y'all saw what was coming for the channel. And this is coming, or I should, this is going in, I don't know. Because if you watch the other video, we repurposed the Rifle Fosgate Power 1500 that we had. We repurposed it to the 115 that we're going to be putting in the Cutlass. So the other two remaining L7s, which needed 2,000 watts RMS, they needed something. And like I said, that big old Rifle Fosgate amp, I believe, is overkill for just those two, being that it's 4,000 watts. So I think this will be a good alternative. See, they got the drawings of the connections there on both sides of the box. That's pretty dope. But yeah, man, I got it from Skar. Ordered it straight from them. They had like a holiday thing going on, so I said, you know, why not? Merry Christmas, Noms. On my I think it was right at 200 or something like that. Yeah, something like that. Two something. But 2,000 watts RMS. I've seen the test. Steve Mead has done it. I believe another channel I started watching here recently, Williston Labs, has tested it, and I mean, it seems to be a good amplifier for the money. So we're gonna put it on them L7s and see what it do. Of course, that car is not to the point where we have everything wired up for the sounds and everything, but being that I knew that this was the direction I was gonna go, I went ahead and I grabbed them just so I'll go ahead and have them. So appreciate y'all tapping in for this video, man. Skar Audio, is that the future? Well, it's kind of like Skar Kicker, but you know, maybe we'll put a Skar sticker on something too. That is something I didn't see. No sticker. I don't believe. Let me double check. No, I didn't see a sticker. No sticker, no moss. But that ain't nothing. We got a vinyl cutter. We'll cut our own stickers. So appreciate y'all for tapping in, man. It's your boy LXRY254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strengths. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Go.